I can build a robot if I want. Goal achieved. I'm an embedded software engineer. My current project involves writing a Python script which gathers all the generated images. Every couple of months I get a new project and then I can throw myself at the new project. Creating some courses, everything that needs to be done to get the NIT session, the next one, ready. Kernel development, C course, GDB course. So I'm part of the Linux cell. I gave a talk on one of the Linux cell evening sessions about memory tricks. Be persistent, be creative. You have to have good people skills. As an embedded software engineer, you're basically the bridge between full software and full hardware engineers. So you always need to ask questions. Buy some bitcoins when they're cheap. Stopping time so I can get more work done. No, not true. Have more hours in my day. I wanted to build robots, so pretty much do what I wanted. I can build a robot if I want. Goal achieved.